Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch Reviewers. In this video, I have the unboxing of the mystery shoes that I decided to order that a lot of you guys kind of took guesses on, but none of you guys were quite right. So here we are with them, with the black Adidas box. I don't know if that gives it away or not, but the box did not come in perfect condition, which I was kind of bummed about, but here is a quick look around the box. I found this sticker pretty funny. Spoiler alert, that's what they are. These are the Adidas NMD R1 STLT PK. In other words, they are the Christmas edition. So let's crack it open and take a look. And here they are. Oh my gosh. I had to get some Christmas shoes to wear one day a year, just for the heck of it. So these were the ones I decided on because honestly, if these don't say Christmas, I don't know what does. So taking a look around them, let's pull them both out here. So you guys can see StockX verified. They are legit. Here's a tag. Don't think there's anything cool in there. But yeah, let's pull this one out and we can keep the box there, whatever. So here they are. Taking a look around the shoe, this is Primeknit all the way around. And it kind of feels like a sock, honestly. It kind of looks like it too. They really make me think of like, I don't know, elf slippers or something, but totally Christmas colors. They got the boost here on the bottom. You can see, never worn. Boost showing through there. Kind of a semi-translucent rubber on the bottom here. Back, got some more rubber with the Adidas logo. A little bit of German on here. And on the inside, we've got with kind of cutouts for some boost. And it says boost right there, and this is kind of stretchy. Pretty cool. And on this side, we've got the Adidas logo, and then another one of these blocks things. I don't know what they're called. But so these are the shoes that I decided to get. And yes, I have tried them on. And yes, I am aware that these are size 10. And when I tried the 10.5 Yeezys, they were too small. Tried the 11.5, they were not fitting right. These are size 10, and they fit pretty much perfectly. So the Yeezys must have something weird about them, but these fit pretty much perfectly. So put them side by side here. You guys can take a look. But yeah, I'm super happy with this purchase. If you guys want to purchase them, they are on StockX. I'll leave a link down below, I guess. I don't know if they have referral links or anything, but if they do, I will set it up with that. But anyways, let me know if you guys have any questions about these shoes. Let me know your thoughts on them. I think it'll be fun to walk around Christmas parties with these on. I know it's only for one day a year, but hey, they'll stay in good condition that way. Now I am going to put Crep Protect on these things, so if you guys want to see a video about that, I can do that as well, just to keep them in tip-top order. But that's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.